Hello, this is Charlie from Capella Ranch, and it is the afternoon, almost the evening, and day after a great big old rainstorm. We almost never have great big old rainstorms. And let me tell you, it's nice to see the sun again. So it occurred to me the other day, as I was looking back through some of the videos I posted, that I wind up making a thumbnail that may not, it's got something exciting that's going to happen during this round of collection. I have no idea what that'll be, and I don't choose a thumbnail till I'm done. I'm doing a little video editing. So, what I've done is down in the description down below, if you drop that down, the description thingy down there, I put a timeline down there, and I've highlighted in that timeline whatever is the thumbnail moment. Right? So if I drew your attention, go down there and check, and you can jump right to that. Here are all my friends now. But if you want to just come along for the full, chores with me and all the friends, of course, please. That's what we're going to do now, because that's what we do on these videos. Yes, I have the bee hut stuff, and we do a lot of that, and that's fun too. But another part of life here is the animals. There's Kevin the turkey. Hi, Kevin. How are you? Good to see you. How's everybody doing? Oh, everybody appears to have gotten well and truly over the rain. Miles, in your typical position, I see. Hi, Kevin. It's an empty bucket, Miles. All right. Let's see. I think I left this gate open this morning. Carolyn told me she came out and there were a bunch of goats out here. Or sheep. Bunch of things with hooves that should not have been there. Oh, Louie coming out. Everybody's coming out for a little taste of scratch. No, Miles. Please get down. Please get down. That's just so rude. Thank you. Hello, Louie. There we go. Woo. Being a little rude, a little pushy. Just like a turkey right there. Hi there. Hey. Some animals. I'll tell you what. Okay, everybody. Are we ready? Is everybody interested in a little scratch? I guess it's been a little bit since you all have had scratch. Well, hi, Kevin. Can I pet you? I almost feel badly about that. Almost, but not quite. There you go. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Oh, okay, here we go. Long throw. What are you? There we go. Now, I suppose, if I'm being nice, we'll go right out there. Then we're going to go right over there. And then I'm happy to go right over there, too. And then if I have to have a couple of high maintenance critters, I'm going to bring them over here. And noses that come through here. Oh, look at that tongue. Look at that tongue. Oh, you. Okay, one little shot. One little shot. All right, that's worth trying again. Kevin, you want to try that again? That was kind of fun. I need a better handful of scratch, don't I? Kevin, oh, are you giving up? Okay, you can have a little more. That's it. Louie, a little more for you. Billy, a little for you. Cece, a little for you. And that is it. We're done with the scratch handout. All done. All gone. All gone. All gone. Think they'll buy that? I don't think he will. I think maybe everybody else might. Okay, there you go. Getting off the fence. Well, that was kind of weird and fun. All right, hey, down, 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 off, and back. I know what you guys want. Get back. Well, hi there. Hello, Mr. Nose. How's my Louie? Hey, Miles. I see you hiding behind the camera here. I see you over there. All right, we are off to Chicken Manor. Ta-da! See, look at this mud. Look at that. Wow, that is mud puddle. That is why Chicken Manor has got to go. It's actually dried up a bit already today. Here. I'll even tilt this one down, but you can see right around here. Whoops. I guess I better step inside before my sheep and goats decide they're coming in. Yeah, that's not going to happen. I think you're good out there, Cece. All right. So, where were we? I see you. You're hard to miss. No, don't climb. No climbing. But all of this mud around here. Yay. All right, we've got our scratch. We've got a lot of squawking going on here at Chicken Manor. Hello, everybody. How are the girls? Was it a good day for eggs? Look at the mud. Woo, look at that mud. Yuck. And this is not bad. It's already drying up a bit. Look. Look at that right down there. Maybe pointed down far enough. Right inside the door, there's an egg by the water bowl. All right, let's get rid of you kids, though, with some scratch. I will toss that to the side. Yeah, this looks like not that much horrible mud. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Should have checked here for eggs. Not that I expect one. And no egg. And here, not that I expect one, and no egg. I hear you. May as well see if we got anything back here. One up here. One for the dirty bucket. Dirty bucket is the white bucket. We'll see if we actually have enough clean to make a clean bucket today. And in here, I'm thinking we have 4. 4? What do you say? 4? 4. Look at that. Woo! I know my girls. That was really just a lucky guess. We are up to 5 in the gross bucket. And this one, number 6 down here, that's hiding. We shall add to the gross bucket. 6. Oh, mud. Unhappy mud. Hello, Louie. Trying to break in over there? It's not looking promising for a clean round. Well, maybe over there. All right, there we go. And let's look it down a bit here. And we are at 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All those need a good washing. 14. And we have just a few back there. Yay, I'm glad they're not laying as many back there. So that'll be 15, 16, 17. Whew. That's a nice dark one there. 17. And back here's 18. And 19. 20. 21. Just when I was saying there may not be any clean ones, that's a good one. Will not need to be washed. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, Count's a little low. 28 in the main part here of Chicken Manor. And around. It's squishy. Ew. Okay. 28. Let's check and see if there's any more hiding up here. Nope, doesn't look like it. It's really like 28. 30, 31. 32, 33. 34. Really? 34. Yikes. 34. Okay. There we go. Okay. Very loud. Okay, wrapped up there at Chicken Manor, and now we are headed in, or back to Gen Pop. Well, hello, Mr. Louie. Whoa. I'm glad you didn't push it there. Louie, so glad you could come over and join us and just pee right there. Thank you. Okay. Where were we? We were coming into Gen Pop. Where's Kevin? Always got to wonder where that turkey is. Oh, look. Of course, there she is. Hi, Kevin. I didn't think to look up. How you doing up there, Kevin? You having a grand old time up there on the awning? Uh-huh. Huh. What a day. All right. Oh. Birds going to bed already. I don't think it's that late. Let me see. Yeah, 6:30, maybe. I guess if you stretch your imagination a little. Maybe a lot. All right, light. Underneath. Oh, there's some to collect back there, isn't there? All right, let me get the rake. Hi, Kevin, you coming in? You're welcome to join me. Come on in. You can come in if you want. I gotta get these eggs back here. Yeah. Thing is, I know I need to kneel about right here. All right, that's clear reasonably. All right, back there is the stash. That looks like 3 duck eggs. Or 2 chicken and a duck. Anything else? Back here in the old egg hole. Doesn't look like it. Okay. So that's 2 and a duck. I don't think we've got a lot in here. 3, 4, and a broken one up here. So it'll be 5, 6. Oh yeah. 7, 8. Oh, clean. What do you have down here? 9, 10, 11, 12. I think you have more. 13, 14, 15. Wow, you had quite a collection. Any more? 16. Wow. Well done, thank you. 16. 16. I've got to fix that door. Hi, everyone. Uh-huh. Oh, there's a few down there. All right, I think we were at 16. So let's see what we've got now. 17. 18, 19. 20, 21. 22, 23. 24, 25. 26, 27. 28, 29. Well, 29 and 34 so far. 29 and 34. I don't see anything else back here. That is then 30 and 2 duck eggs. So that gives us a 30 and 34. So 64 chicken and 2 duck. We'll set those aside here for a second. And I know everybody wants a little snack. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take some of this leftover hay that the chickens are smacking around. Let's see how much of this I can just grab here. If I just grab an armful. I'm going to run this out here and then let the goats and sheep pounce on it. Look out. You better get in there. Oh my. This sounds so very serious. You guys still have a bit of hay left. So I don't think I'm going to feel too badly for you. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's see if I can get more hay for these folks into this basket. Because this down here should be all the good stuff I should be able to use. So let's try it maybe this way. Okay, we're going to leave that wad for that crew. Let's add this to this bowl out here. Hi, Louie. See, I'm putting it in both feeders, so really, doesn't matter which one you go to. There you go. And now, I'll get the last of this swept up here. And we'll give it to the yelling folks over here, just so they think they've got something. Because they still have hay in that bag, which is fully edible. But you guys may want something that's outside. And you know, why not? A little variety. A little variety in life. It's always a good thing, right, folks? Let's come out here. I'm going to throw you some stuff in here. Maybe it'll just stop you from yelling for even a few minutes. What do you say? What do you say? Look, there's hay out here, too. Totally hay out here, too. There you are. Enjoy. Like you don't have hay right there. Hey, buddy. That's Gaston. How you doing? Can I pet you? How you doing, friend? Wow, I had a Gaston moment. There we go. Take that off. All right. You can yell at me all you want, but it's not going to change anything. Nope. I know. My goodness. You want weeds or attention or both? I hear you. Don't we all? Well, there we go. Woohoo! Another round of chores. Fini. That was a good egg collect round. A little feeding. You're such a loudmouth boy. Fair number of eggs. Everybody's doing all right. Kevin did a little dance for us. I fed both Kevin and Miles by hand at the same time. That's certainly got to count for something, right? Thank you. I just love doing this. And thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you next time. Thanks.